world, stating that artificial intelligence is potentially more dangerous than nukes, and that using it, well, they are using it to summons the demon. He hinted at a few things like this. It had a lot of people like, what? And was so into it, he even had to ask what the next question was because he forgot. Because he even stated, he goes, I'm still thinking about the AI thing. He knows something. This is a man that's planning to go to Mars and everywhere else. When it comes to artificial intelligence, this man knows something, that's for sure. That's the impression he gives me. And he has to reference that we're summoning the demon. I don't know. Figured I would share it with you guys. Makes you wonder, what else does this guy know? Elon Musk. Artificial intelligence summoning the demon. Wonder how. What he meant by that. What he knows. Spindabu 7.